Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a rocket in a game on mobile. Yeah, it's actually pretty simple. I'm not going to make these big overpowered very complicated ones. It's going to be very simple. I am able to make very complicated rockets, but for beginners I make like very easy, simple ones to show you how to learn the basics. Um, that's what I feel like is the most important about these games. First learn, and then once you're done that, then you can let let it all loose and do whatever you want. Like go to every planet, visit every moon, and stuff like that, and even possibly start your own YouTube channel. Now, this is part one, but next time I'm going to show you how to get to orbit, and then I'm going to show you how to get to the moon and return back. Then I'm going to show you how to go to different planets and stuff like that. And then after that, I might show you like how do you get to different planets, like what's the tips or tricks around it. Like some have slightly inclined orbits, or some of them are not perfectly along the equator of the sun. Some of them are like on tilted by like a few degrees, or some of them are inclined by like a few also. I'll explain what inclinement is. It is like, so the moon is in real life 0.0 degrees on the equator of the earth, so it's tilted by a flat plane basically. Then there's some man-made satellites like that orbit like in very high inclined orbits. You should look up what inclined orbits are, and you'll get a better explainment of it. That's enough talking about physics in my video at the moment, so I'm just going to show you what I'm doing here. So yeah, I'm basically just making a simple rocket, not too confusing, not very like complicated build. It's just pretty simple, easy one. And here we go, we're going to launch it now. Yeah, pick one of the four launch sites. It's nighttime, so yeah, that shouldn't matter. Doesn't matter if it's nighttime in this game. Just go. Head towards the east. It's more efficient. It saves more fuel instead of going west. Because the sun sets in the east and rises in the west. That's why you go east. Just, yeah. It's easier, saves more fuel. All rocket launchers are like that in real life. They head east instead of west. This rocket launch rule applies to nearly every planet, but the one exception in physics would be Venus. Instead, you'd head on Venus west instead of east, if you know what I'm saying. So if you manage to land on Venus later on, head west instead, because Venus rotates slowly and backwards. So in real life, it's harder to get to space because of gravity and, money. But we're playing a game, so that doesn't matter. But gravity does in the game. That weird sound was just me clapping my hands together for once. Um, yeah, so if you don't want me to do it again, I won't. But if you want me to again, I will. Just tell me in the comments what this video is like. Yeah, so this game, um, you should look it up on Google Play Store. It's a 3D rocket flight game. I forget the name. Um, if you want to, you can get it for yourself if you want to play it. Like, honestly, this is a great way to learn if you're playing this game for the first time, or if you have it but you don't know what to do in it and you're very struggling at it. My tutorials are here to help you with it. Part 2 will be coming out soon, don't worry. it'll be about how to get to the moon. Now, that should be easy. You just follow me in the tutorial. The reason why I didn't launch on the creator in this game is because I'm not going to the moon yet. So I kind of had to re-enter here. Like, I wonder why I'm spinning all over the place here during the re-entry is to stop the parachutes from burning up. Now, in real life, if the parachutes did burn up, if they're on the sides, it'd be game over for the astronauts, basically. Yeah, they'd slam into the ocean and meet their gruesome demise. Okay, I might have went a bit too far there with physics. Sorry for that. But that's why normally parachutes are normally at the top of the capsule instead of the sides, to stop that from happening. And yeah, so look, we directly made it back to Earth safely. I know we didn't go to orbit, yeah, but look, we made it back safe and sound. Yeah, that's just phase 1 of this tutorial. Part 2 and part 3 will be coming soon. I'm thinking about making this a mini series. If you want, just tell me if you want to see a mini series, and I will do it.